बेहद की परम महा शांति है. Bapuji says, children, your father is the world benefactor, so your welfare is every second. Hand over all your deeds to Father that are valuable according to this world. Your future will be accomplished by the achievements of this world, and you will not be feeling any debt. In every way, you will be fulfilled, means healthy, wealthy, and joyful. Just remember that Father is yours. By thinking that there is no one more fortunate than me, complete the process of nature's transformation. Father is with you all the time, everywhere. You just surrender your mind and intellect and do not overthink. I have come for the welfare of the children, so there cannot be anything except welfare. Be light and joyful. God has gifted this blessing to His children. See, you will be filled with powers and good deeds. Use your body as an honor. Your full attention should be on yourself, that I am a powerful soul. Transforming the nature, being with it, by which you just not keep your body healthy but make it like a diamond. That transforms entire world. There are few such children who do this task. Means you become like Father and prove the sayings of praise of the Father. So have attention on yourself, and the transformation is almost done. Okay. Supreme Peace, बेहद की परम महाशांति है.